I want to show you the magic of the Maybelline foundation. I'm going in with the face mask and flawless. Can you see? To press your foundation in. Your foundation is not your concealer. If your concealer is needed, you go in for a concealer. So now I'll go in with a concealer. Concealer in 45. So if you have the dark spots that you need to conceal, and you're using cappuccino, just use the concealer in 45. For her kind of face, there's no need for you to contour because she already has a slim face. Do you know, for a very, very slim face like this, you say you want to contour, the person will look so slim. So even if you want to contour, you do it lightly, not so much. Why are you smiling? So for this facial feature, you highlight the brain of. So I'm just setting the concealer under the eyebrows. I'm going to go in with the Super Stay 75 powder. Going to the eyes. If you know Maybelline, you know that their colossal kajal is a die-hard kajal, very black, and they are known for mascaras. Their mascaras are usually on point. So I'm just going to line the eyes. Can you see the jet black? So I'm going to go in with my mascara. Ensure you spray after each step. So this is the final step. I want to spray to make it go mad.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.